Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today will be the drawing for my 2,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. I really do appreciate every one of you so very much. I'm just so honored and touched that you all watch my videos. Every single minute you watch feels like a blessing to me. Model Ones was generous enough to supply me with one set of gel polishes for the first 3 winners. So the first 3 winners will receive either Secret Garden, Retro Lady, or Midnight Party. It's going to be a random selection of what they have saved in Warehouse. I will not be receiving any tracking information or anything from that. And all 5 winners will receive a nail art pack from me, hopefully with enough goodies that something in there you will enjoy and love. I hope that there's something in there for everybody. I really feel the envelope's full. They're all sealed. I won't know who gets which envelope. And I want to explain my little setup here. All these with the little asterisks by their names right here, all entered into the giveaway before I even reached 2K. I was getting close. So in one of my videos I just said to comment a certain thing. I believe it was 2K somewhere in their comments, so all these people received an entry for doing that. And when I announced the giveaway, everyone down here that followed the rules, received an extra entry, and I don't believe I had anyone had to be excluded. So here are all the entries off of the official 2000K giveaway video. So if you didn't see your name, you saw your name up above and down here, that's why, because you entered twice. Anyone with an asterisk by their name, if it's pulled, I will have to remove both chances of their name from the list. Just because we only want to have one person win once on this drawing. There may be some that I'll have multiple winners, or you'll have multiple chances to win. But you can see I have everybody's name on here. Some didn't actually enter in the second video, but they entered in the first video, so I wasn't sure what to do with that. So there you'll see 1 dot because they only have 1 entry, 2 dots because they have 2 entries, but it doesn't matter really. Everybody that entered is on here. I've triple checked it as I was going. I checked it again. Hopefully I've gotten everybody. I've checked that spam folder. Let's set the wheel. Okay, here's the wheel set. You can see your names are all on here. So hopefully I won't pull anybody's name twice. If I do, I'll have to remove it. So good luck everybody. The first 3 win the gel polish sets. And the last 2 win the nail art packs only, but all 5 will win the nail art pack. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. Congratulations, winner number 1. I'm going to have to remove the name twice from here, so bear with me a moment. Remove the name, and as you can see, it's no longer showing up. Double checking that. Nope. Set the wheel again. So, winner number 2. Congratulations, winner number 2. You don't have an extra entry, so I will just remove your name. Winner number 3 for the 3rd and final gel polish collection is... Congratulations, winner number 3. You also only had 1 entry. Makes it easier on me. Remove the name. Okay, the name will not be in here again. The next 2 are for the nail art packs. Congratulations, winner number 4. I'll have to go back and remove the name from the beginning as well. empty spot, reset the wheel. Okay, my 5th winner for nail art pack will be congratulations! Now remember to check out these people that have commented on this on the original video and on this video. See if they have a channel with content. If you like what they have, subscribe to them as well, and make sure you're subscribed here, because if you're not visibly subscribed, you may not be entered into the next giveaway. Thank you, Model Ones. Thank you, everyone, for this wonderful, wonderful time in my life where I actually got to 2,000 subscribers. I'm like over the moon with joy. Never thought I would get here. Thank you so much. Everyone have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.